Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Destiny. Let's start current affairs of 11th of April 2021 in English. First question is World Homeopathy Day is celebrated on which date? Answer is the 10th of April. Homeopathy is a branch of a medicine which was discovered by Samuel Hahnemann. His birthday was on 10th of April, so this day is celebrated as World Homeopathy Day. Theme for the same is Homeopathy Roadmap for Integrative Medicine. You might be knowing about Ayush. Ayush is a Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. Current Ayush Minister is Kiran Rijiju. Next, India gifts 100 crore petrol vessel PS Zoroaster to which country? Answer is a D. Seychelles. Capital of the Seychelles is a Victoria. Next, name the Indian Army officer who earned 2 Guinness World Records. Answer is A. Bharat Panu. He got this for his fastest solo cycling. First one is from Leh to Manali, that is 472 kilometers, and second one is for Golden Quadrilateral route which connects Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata, that is 5942 kilometers. Next, which is the first mutual fund company to cross 5 lakh crore AAUM, that is average assets under management? Answer is a D. SBI Mutual Fund. Next, who attends 103rd Development Committee meeting of World Bank and International Monetary Fund? This meeting was attended by Nirmala Sitharaman. World Bank headquarters is in Washington DC. President is a David Malpass and CFO is a Anshula Kant. IMF International Monetary Fund headquarters Washington DC. President is a Kristalina Georgieva and chief economist is Geeta Gopinath. Obituaries. Prince Philip, husband of Queen Elizabeth II, passes away. He is also known as Duke of Edinburgh. Next, name the athlete who will receive the Chhattisgarh Vairani Award. Answer is a B. Duty Chan. She is a 100-meter sprinter. She holds the record of 100 meters in 11.2 seconds. Hima Das is also known as a Dhing Express. We'll see some news related to Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh's capital is a Naya Raipur. CM is a Bhupesh Baghel and Governor is a Anusuya Uike. Chirag scheme is of Chhattisgarh, which it is for agriculture, and World Bank has given 100 million for Chirag scheme. Next, 100 megawatt solar power project at Taru will be set up in which district? It is in a Leh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called for mass vaccination program from 11th of April to 14th of April. Why these two dates are chosen? Because 11th of April is a birthday of Mahatma Jyotirao Phule and 14th of April is a birthday of B.R. Ambedkar. There are two vaccines, Covaxin developed by Bharat Biotech Hyderabad. Head of the Bharat Biotech is Dr. Krishna Illa, and Covishield developed by Serum Institute Pune. Head of the Serum Institute is Adar Poonawalla. Next, which state has launched a 14 days mask abhiyan? Answer is a D. Odisha. Capital of Odisha Bhubaneswar. CM is a Naveen Patnaik. Governor is a Ganeshi Lal. Next, Reserve Bank will conduct open market purchase of government securities of worth how much amount? Answer is a D. 1 lakh crore. Now we'll see what is open market operation. Open market operation is when there is a excessive money in a market, that time RBI takes that money, that is RBI sucks that money, and when there is a deficiency of a money in a market, then RBI gives money in a market. How RBI is doing this? When there is a excessive money in a market, RBI sells the securities and it takes money. When there is a deficiency of a money, then RBI purchases the securities and it gives money in a market. This is called as a open market operation. Next, Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank launches which scheme to implement new education policy? Answer is a B. Sarthak. Long form of a Sarthak is Students and Teachers Holistic Advancement Through Quality Education. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.